Do this to make money on YouTube. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Osta and this is Osta Nation. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do as well to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bells so that you get notified whenever a new video drops. Like this video and share. Alright, so on this particular video I'm going to be walking you through how to make money on YouTube. Yes, it is no longer news that YouTube is actually monetizable and you can actually make money on YouTube. Yes, but what are the requirements of making money on YouTube? You need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and also a minimum of 4,000 watch hours. Yeah, somebody might say, oh, that's actually too much. How do I achieve that? That is why you are watching this particular video. Just stay glued to me and listen to every tip I'm going to be giving you, and I bet you by the end of this video you're going to be glad you did. Alright, first on my list is, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be dropping very informative tips that you'll be needing to grow your YouTube channel. Okay, number one on my list is try to respond to messages. Okay, a lot of YouTube creators don't even see the importance of responding to your comments or your messages in your comment section. Really, you think it's not important? Yes, let me tell you why you need to do that. This actually helps to create bond or create familiarity between you and your viewers, you and your subscribers, and actually helps them to keep coming back. And what happens when they keep coming back? It helps you to make more money. Yes, the next on my list is that you upload long form videos. Hey, see, you don't understand. Short form videos, you can actually make money with short form videos, but you can't compare it to your long form videos. Yes, long form videos is actually very advantageous when it comes to YouTube. Yes, the longer your videos, the more money you're actually making for yourself. Yes, try to also work on the quality of your videos, because if your video is not engaging enough and it's actually long, it's actually going to make your viewers get bored and maybe stop watching your videos. But when you have high engaging content, and even if they are long, I promise you that they are going to be watching your videos to the end and thereby increasing your money. Okay, another point I'm going to be giving you is your region, your location, like the viewers, where they are located. I'm going to be making a video where I'll be teaching you or I try to explain to you what increases or how your region, like the region of people who are viewing your videos, how it actually affects what you make on YouTube. I'll be doing another video on that, but I want to make you understand that the people viewing your videos, their location affects how you make money on YouTube, and there is a way you can actually work on that to increase your money making power on YouTube. You want to know, right? Stay glued on my channel. Another point I'm going to be giving you on how to make money on YouTube is live streaming. Yes, I know you feel like, oh, how do I do that? Yes, when you're actually live, when you go live on YouTube, you also make money, most especially when you are monetized. Yes, it is very possible, and it helps to increase your money making power on YouTube, and it creates this bond, like I said, within you and your viewers. Okay, so when you try to come live frequently, it also helps to increase your watch hours. It also helps to increase your engagement on your channel, and thereby helps YouTube algorithm to suggest your videos to people who may be interested in watching your videos. Yes, you heard me right. And last on my list is try to associate with other YouTube content creators. Yes, you can actually not do very well on YouTube without associating with other people. You feel, oh, I can do it alone. No. Yes, try to watch videos. Learn, like you're watching this one now. Learn, watch videos that are going to help you learn, because we keep learning every day. Okay, and when you try to associate yourself with other content creators on YouTube, it helps to know what challenges people have been through, and helps you to guide yourself from not falling into such challenges. And even when you do, it helps you to navigate your way through, thereby helping you to gain a smooth journey on YouTube. Yes, thank you so much for watching this video. Till this time, I do not want this video to be too long. All right, if you are yet to subscribe, please do as well to hit on the subscribe button, like this video, and if you feel this video has actually helped you and you want to help someone else, please help us share this video. I love you guys. Till I see you guys in my very next video. Bye.